The Princely Palace of Monaco was buzzing with joy as Princess Charlene celebrated her birthday in grand style. Joined by her husband, Prince Albert, and their adorable twins, Prince Jacques and Princess Gabriella, the day was filled with delightful surprises, including a stunning 7-tier birthday cake. The royal family paid a visit to the Condamine market, where Princess Charlene was treated to a magnificent 7-tier birthday cake. The Princely Palace of Monaco shared a heartwarming photo on social media, capturing the moment of the royal family marveling at the white iced cake adorned with flowers and butterflies. The birthday celebration was not only a feast for the taste buds but also a visual delight. Princess Charlene and her mini-me daughter, Princess Gabriella, showcased a coordinated fashion moment. Wearing complementary shades of camel and gray, the mother-daughter duo radiated elegance as they explored the market. Earlier in the day, the Princely Palace of Monaco extended birthday wishes to Princess Charlene through a touching Instagram tribute. A snapshot of the princess accompanied the heartfelt message, celebrating the occasion of her 46th birthday. The royal family has a history of coordinated fashion, as seen during the Monaco National Day celebrations in November 2023. Princess Charlene and Princess Gabriella, along with Prince Albert and Prince Jacques, had a memorable monochrome moment, showcasing their familial bond and impeccable style. In an interview before their 9th birthday, Prince Albert shared insights into the personalities of the royal twins. Describing Princess Gabriella as a pistol with a mischievous twinkle in her eye, he highlighted how Prince Jacques stands up to his sister's strong personality. The young royals have been adapting to public outings, with Jacques taking on a more engaging role. A day filled with love, fashion, and family, Princess Charlene's birthday celebration showcased the warmth within the Monaco royal household. That's a wrap for this royal affair. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below.